Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up your Mac Mini. First, connect your display, keyboard, and mouse to the available ports. The Mac Mini typically has 2 Thunderbolt or USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and an HDMI port for your display. Next, plug in the power cable and press the power button on the back. Once it boots up, you'll be guided through initial setup steps like choosing your language and country. It's a straightforward process to get started. After the initial boot, you'll configure some basic settings. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID or create a new one. This is crucial for accessing services like the App Store and iCloud. Then, connect to your Wi-Fi network to ensure internet access for updates and browsing. Finally, review and adjust your privacy settings, deciding what data you share with Apple and third-party apps. Take a moment to personalize these choices. Now, let's get your data and software ready. If you're upgrading from another computer, use Migration Assistant to easily transfer your documents, applications, and settings. This tool can move data from an old Mac or even a Windows PC. Next, head to the App Store to download your favorite applications or install them from trusted websites. Always ensure your Mac OS is updated to the latest version for optimal performance and security enhancements. To truly make your Mac Mini your own, personalize it. Adjust your desktop background, organize your dock, and fine-tune system preferences to match your workflow. Consider adding useful accessories, such as an external solid-state drive for extra storage or a multi-port USB hub for more connectivity. Most importantly, establish a regular backup routine using Time Machine with an external drive or a cloud service to protect your valuable data. Enjoy your new Mac Mini.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.